Hi everybody, today we're looking at why your labels may not be aligned on your MAT85 printer. There could be a couple of reasons, but let's look at the most common ones that are out there. First of all, one of the most common things that I see is that when some people re-put in a new roll of labels, they basically put the label in like so, pull it forward like that, close the lid, and then turn the machine on. Now, what you may have noticed, let's just move that back a bit, is that the machine hasn't actually advanced the label. The reason being is that while this was up, they have the printer turned off. And when you close it, the label doesn't advance. When you turn it on, it stays where it is. However, if you open and close it, with the machine still turned on, when you shut the lid, it will then advance and line up the label. Okay, that sounds simple, but it very, very often happens. And of course, once it's off, it's off. The second thing that some people look at is that they accidentally knock this sensor. So this black thing here that moves, that is the sensor bar, which is sensing the gap in between each label. Now, if this sensor bar is right as far to the right as it will go, it will work. If you find it's over here somewhere or even over there, it won't actually pick up the label. So push it all the way to the right, and then as you close the lid again, it senses the right part and then will line up the label. Okay, so now we're all lined up. If this issue persists, it may mean that you may need to reset the printer. Now, resetting the printer is quite a simple job. The green light on top, or if it's blue, the green light on top, keep it pressed for 6 seconds and it will bleep twice. There it goes again. Now, the fact it's bleeped twice, it's reset itself and now it's lined up again. Okay, so that's another way of doing that. However, when you do reset the printer, you may need to re-Bluetooth the printer. Now let's just quickly look at what we do when we Bluetooth our printer. We go back to our main screen, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth. Okay, and it shows at the moment that it's paired to the MAT85 1135. I'm just going to hit the cog there and forget it. And we'll just show you quickly it Bluetoothing, so you can see now that it's an available device, MAT85. The code for this one is 1135. You can see those 4 digits. Yours will be different. So when I press to choose it, it will ask me for my PIN code, which is the 1135, which you can see there. Press OK, and again, it's paired. Now, you notice that the light is still green. It will not turn blue until you try to start printing a label. So let's just do that. So let's go back onto menu pilot. So when I go to print a label, I have to select the printer, choose 1135. You can see it's now turned blue and connected successfully. So when I now print, let's say I'm going to do 3-4 of these, press print, and it prints my 4 labels. Okay. So that's the main causes for it to not re-Bluetooth the printer if you have to reset it. And of course, what I would tell anybody, if they're still having problems with this, when you're on menu command, you can always go to the chat button on the bottom left here and start chat with the tech team straight away. Just type your message in here and they will then respond to that message. Okay. Well, I hope that's been helpful. Comment if you wish to at the end of the video. And again, you might want to subscribe to see the other videos about the MAT85. Thanks a lot indeed. Bye.